Captions used to take me forever. I'd stare at a photo I actually liked, type something, delete it, type something worse, and eventually just post vibes because I'd given up. Then I tried asking free ChatGPT to write it for me, and it was better than anything I'd written in months. Here's exactly how to make it work, because there's a right way and a wrong way, and most people are doing it the wrong way. Most people open ChatGPT, type, write me an Instagram caption, and get something that sounds like a motivational poster from 2014. Vague, generic, a little bit exhausting, and then they think, okay, AI writing just isn't for me. But that's not a ChatGPT problem, that's a prompting problem. A prompt is just what you type to tell the AI what you want. Think of it like giving instructions to a really capable assistant who has no context about your life yet. The more specific you are, the better what comes back. So instead of write me a caption, try telling it what the post actually is. What's in the photo? What's the mood? Who's going to see it? Once you give it that, the output completely changes. We're talking captions that actually sound like a person. Captions you'd actually post? Here's what works. Open ChatGPT. The free version is totally fine for this. And type something like, write me a casual Instagram caption for a photo of my morning coffee on a rainy day. Keep it short, a little warm, and add a gentle question at the end to get comments. That one prompt does 4 things at once. It sets the scene, the tone, the length, and a goal. And ChatGPT for beginners can absolutely do this. You don't need the paid version, you don't need any experience, you just need to treat it like a conversation instead of a search bar. If the first result isn't quite right, just reply. Tell it make it funnier, or less formal, or more like something a real person would say. That back and forth is actually where the magic is. And if this is the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future drops one of these every day. One more reply, and you've got something that sounds like you. Okay, so this is the part people skip, and it's the part that actually matters. When you get a caption back, read it out loud. Seriously, if it sounds like someone giving a TED talk about your brunch, it needs adjusting. There's a simple trick to humanize AI output. Just ask ChatGPT to rewrite it in a more conversational tone, or tell it to remove any phrases that sound overly polished. You can even paste in an old caption you liked, one you actually wrote, and say, write something that sounds more like this. That's using AI tools 2025 style, not replacing your voice, borrowing its speed while keeping your personality. The caption still sounds like you. It just didn't take you 20 minutes of staring at your phone to get there. Social media captions AI works best when you think of it as a first draft machine, not a finished product machine. It gets you 80% of the way there in 10 seconds. You do the last 20%. Here's what I want you to walk away with. The prompt is everything. Vague in, vague out. Specific in, something actually usable comes back. Start there. Play with it. You'll figure out your own version of this faster than you think. Tomorrow, well, the next video, is one you genuinely don't want to miss. It's about a single ChatGPT prompt that takes one idea and turns it into a full week of content. No experience needed, no complicated setup, just one prompt. It's already up. And if this video saved you even 5 minutes of caption writing frustration, a like would mean a lot. It tells YouTube this stuff is worth showing to more people, and that's how this whole thing grows.